Hello, I'm in a 2012 Toyota Prius C, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your display time. So first you'll start the vehicle, which this is currently on, and you'll also know it's on if it says ready here. And then for this main display here, we're going to use this display button and trip button till we get through all the way through this tutorial. So I'm going to just start clicking display. So tap in display till we get to settings, screen on or off, and then I'm just going to press and hold display. And then same thing again, I'm just going to tap display button until I get to set clock, then press and hold display button. And then same thing from here, and then I'm saying I'm just tapping display like this and then pressing and holding there for the selects. So, and I'll press and hold, or tapping through, and you can change the date here if you want, just by holding display. And then you can just tap display and it goes up, and then trip, it's going down. So display up, trip down, and then it says to do nothing for 5 seconds to go back. And then I'm going to tap display again, or press and hold it, that is, to change the clock time. So from here, tap display till I'm an hour, and then to adjust here, as it says in the directions, the trip button, so it's now 12, and then you just keep tapping that if you need it more, and then display to move, so I'm minutes now, and then that trip button will change the minutes. And then now I tapped display again until I got to return. Now I'm going to press and hold display again, and then same thing, if you want 24-hour time, you can switch it here. And then you can switch the language as well here, but otherwise that's it. It's all auto saved. So we can tap display down to return, press and hold display, press again. Now I'm back on the main screens. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.